Okay, welcome back. So we're going to pick up where we left off. I can unplug my cable. Now all my pictures have transported or imported in. When I unplug that, that may disappear, this folder or not. I can maximize this. You can make these pictures a little bigger. I can go to view extra large icons. I'm not going to do that right now because I have some students from my class on there and I want to maintain some of their level of privacy. But what we want to do now is go through and find our pictures and start labeling them. For instance, I have an extreme close-up here. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this and I can go to rename. So here's rename. If I want to use that, I can go here, or I can click once and then I can long click with my left button and that will let me just start typing over. So this one is going to be extreme close-up, extreme close-up. Okay, and I want to go through and for all the photos that I want to bring in, I'm going to label them for my shots. Okay, so there's one. This is going to be a long shot. I have it taken away from the building. So I'm going to click once, long click, and I can label that as long shot. Okay. In here, I have my folder called 2.0 14 shots. So if I go back one, okay, that's labeled and everything's in the folder. Then that media is there and it's labeled. Now, when I rename these, it's going to put them all together. What I'm doing is I'm basically getting rid of the standard default titles, which is the date, and replacing them with some other shots. So let's see, in here, I also have a nose room shot. So I'm going to call this one. I'll open it here so you can see. It's just one I took of myself for demonstration purposes. And I'm going to rename that one as lead room or nose room. Okay. And so go through and find all the pictures you're going to use for this project. And you can label those so that when we go to put them in and you have your bin open in Premiere Pro, it's going to be streamlined and straightforward of what you're putting into each slide, and it will be organized when we get there. All right, thanks for joining me in part 2, and we will see you in the next one.